Bezier curve animation. In this section, we are going to see how to perform Bezier curve action in the shooting game we have been creating using Spritesheet. Let's start by opening the Aim and Shoot project by double-clicking the Xcode project file. We can see that the background sprite and the play sprite has already been added to the scene, along with a sound effect on startup. Two menu items are also added to the main menu scene, which will load the game scene and help scene on selection. We have also seen how to add Spritesheet animations, other actions, and sequencing actions. Here we are going to see how to give Bezier curve animation to a sprite in Cocos2D. Inside the init method of the game scene implementation file, let's remove the code where we have added actions and sequencing of actions. We can assign Bezier curve animation using the CC Bezier by subclass of CC action. But before that, we have to set up something for the Bezier action. For the Bezier curve animation, 3 points are needed, 2 control points and an endpoint. This can be set using the CC Bezier config class. So first declare the CC Bezier config object. Then we have to assign the values for control point 1, control point 2, and end position properties of the CC Bezier config object. After this, we have to create an object of CC Bezier by action using its action with duration Bezier method. The first parameter to this method is the duration of the Bezier action. The second parameter is the CC Bezier config object, which we have set the properties for. We can reverse the Bezier action using the reverse method. Next, we have to create a sequence action using the Bezier action and the Bezier reverse action. We can use CC repeat forever action to make the sequence repeat forever. Now we have to assign this repeat action to the sprite using its run action method. Run the application. We cannot see any sprite in the screen apart from the background sprite. This is because we have made the spaceship sprite off screen. Make it on screen by changing its position. Now open the game scene by pressing the play button. We can see the spaceship moving in Bezier action. Now use the CC bounce in action to make the spaceship bounce on the screen. Run the application, and we can see the difference in the game scene. The bounce action gives the sprite an uncertain movement, which makes the difficulty for the game. So in this section, we have seen how to sequence actions in Cocos2D.